Oh shit! Oh. He dropped down and scared the shit out of me.
Yeah.
Why do I keep finding myself in situations like this? I mean, come on. So right now, just about to study for uni, and I'm hearing scratching behind the TV. So let's see if we can figure out what's going on. So there's been scratching coming from there, like all morning. I don't know what's in there, whether it's a mouse, rat. I don't know how they would get into the fireplace though. See, my fear right now is moving that and then getting whatever's in there out. Could be a possum. And possums are vicious. Like, you have to call animal control to get rid of them because they claw you to buggery. It could be a bird. It's flew in there. Or it could be a rat. Either one, I'm gonna get bitten. So my chances, it could be a cat as well. I don't know, but they're not making any noise. Meow. Meow. Okay, I've moved this out of the way. Very dusty. Look at that. Look at the dust. How insane is that? Can you hear that? It's insane. I don't know what's in there. But we're about to find out. This is exciting and scary at the same time. Come along. I've got socks prepared. These big thick socks prepared to grab whatever's in there. So let's just see if we can find out what is actually in there. Let's just sneak in here. Jesus. I think I'm gonna need a little bit more room. Oh God. If something comes flying out at me like a bat, I swear to God, this is terrifying. Oh God. No, F that. No way. Oh Jesus. I can't see. Okay. See, if I open the whole thing, it could either come out the bottom. How about I just have a look at what it is? Jesus, I don't know what it is. I don't know what it is, and this is freaking me out. Oh man, I don't know what it is. Oh man, I'm freaked out. I don't know what it is. It looked huge. Like, it looked huge. See, the problem is, I haven't actually seen it yet, so I don't know what it is. It's freaking me out. Oh God. It's like one of those horror movies, you know, where you stick your head up like an attic or something. Oh man. What if it's a cat? What if it's a feral cat? I don't know what it is. This is the problem that I'm having. Do I just like open it and run? What do I do? Oh, Jesus. Why my fireplace? Oh, jeez. What the hell? It's freaking out. I gotta lock that. What the hell? It's like literally freaking out in there. Oh, God. Just... No, I mean business. Don't mess with me. Shit. Okay, I need to figure out what I'm dealing with here, so I'm gonna put the camera down just so I can figure out what it is. If you jump out at me, I swear to God. Oh, shit. Okay, imagine this. There's nothing there, and then all of a sudden like this, like you watch this. It's like this. Nothing there, nothing there. And then a face comes in and goes, what? There's a bird. There's like a full-on bird in there. You know how, oh man. Okay, let's see if we can see it. No, I can't even see it. I don't know how to get it out. I really don't. Because if I open it all the way, then it's going to fly out. Oh, it's right there. Oh. Ah. Not sure if you guys can see it. You guys see him? Shit! My plan of attack right now is I'm going to set the camera up there. So I can't have the camera in one hand and the bird in the other. I'm just going to try and get him with a sock. I need a torch and I need both hands. This sucks. This really does suck. Okay. Okay, that noise you're hearing, I think he's up the chimney right now. Alright, so I have to get him to come back down. Should I just open and go? Like 1, 2, 3? I don't even know why I'm asking the camera, because you guys can't. It's not like if I'm live streaming here. Don't you come out? He's right there. Where did you go? Oh, jeez. I don't like the fact that he knows that this door opens now. So now he's attracted to the door. So I can't open it to get a drop on him. The Fearless Emma has returned. But also, I found some gloves. This was my main issue. I didn't want to be
I found it.
Bitten. And now the kids are home and they're all excited. Look at them. Okay, you just got to be very careful, guys. Do not touch the...
Phoebe?
This is on a lean.
Yeah. I have to see it.
So here we are. We're going to film the big pansy here.
I'm not a pansy!
Who had to wait until I got home to try and catch this because apparently his brain doesn't work and he couldn't think to get the gloves without me.
I didn't know there was gloves next door, okay? I had a sock. And have you seen the sharp beak? He's like...
Actually, I haven't seen it.
Oh,
I swear, if I go over there and it's like a little bloody sparrow or something, I am going to kill myself laughing. Oh, it's a little blackbird.
Oh, no, I don't want to do it.
Oh, come here, Josh.
I'm scared.
Oh,
I don't like birds.
I am because it's going to fly around the house. Calm down.
I don't want to stuff this up. This vlog will be entitled...
Josh is a
Josh
big fat
the
sissy.
pansy bird catcher. So once it comes out, got to go straight for the door. So someone open that gate for Em.
Okay. This one? Yes, I want.
Can you get it?
I got it. It's flying around a bit. I might catch it. No, I just want to come this way. What if it's messed?
Ah, look. We shall name him Gerald.
Whoa, that's a TV. Hi, little bird.
Hang on, let me have a look.
That's a dinosaur.
Yeah, okay, I'm sorry.
Yeah, okay, I'm sorry.
No, seriously, get it away from me.
Come on then.
Let's go show Nanny.
I'm gonna hold
Oh, come here, little birdie.
He sounds like a dinosaur when he...
Oh, he's beautiful. Do we want to watch him fly away? We want to give him room. Stand to one side.
She's right.
Stand to one side.
Just put him on the floor.
Ready?
If it doesn't go.
Fly away, Gerald.
Yay! Yay!
Gerald! Come marry me!
Oh, look, he's free. Oh, you bet you he was so scared. He must have been so scared. He basically came. Oh, smell my hand.
Nothing.
Oh, yeah. No, just smell it. It smells like the rubber glove.
I'll smell my own hand thing.
Yeah, that makes me. Yay, Jenny! Can you clap?
Bird team rescue.
Yeah, he's already gone. He's out of the tree as well.
We did a great job. See, I did it.
Obviously. We named him Gerald.
He found this when I left this morning. He's been a chicken shit all day to get it out.
No. This is what happened. I found it. Thank you very much.
You didn't find it. You heard it. No.
Gerald! Gerald!
There he goes.
Bye,
Gerald.
What if there was an actual neighbour called Gerald and he's just like,
Where have I gone?
Where am I going?
Eric, are you going in?
well, that's about all that we can have time for in bird watching today in the fire. I've been Garble Fisty, signing off. Make sure to like and subscribe for more content. Follow us on the Facebooks, the Twitters, and the Instagrams. Make sure to stay weird and keep smiling.
And keep smiling, guys, and we'll catch up with you in the next episode. Bye!
Good boy, Jenny! Hello, Manatee.